Yoga for de-addiction. Most people are aware of the health benefits of yoga, the ancient Indian form of exercise, but not many may be aware that it also helps keep at bay a modern day lifestyle disease like drug addiction. Let's find out how. Yoga and recovery. Can yoga help in recovery from addiction? Yes, indeed. As with any good exercise routine, yoga offers many benefits during the recovery process. Addiction is a chronic disease that can over time cause serious damage to a person's physical, psychological, social and spiritual well-being. To depict some of the great benefits of yoga on your health, we've summarized some of the greatest benefits of regular yoga practice. Improved flexibility. Increased range of motion is one of the first and most noticeable benefits of yoga. Flexibility improves your posture, balance, dexterity, blood flow, and mobility in joints. Enhanced brain function. Yoga has been hailed as a great way to enhance your brain function. As yoga becomes part of your regular exercise routine, you will experience increased cognitive function, memory, and focus, just to name a few. Strong muscles. Yoga helps build muscle as your body holds poses or asanas. With increased flexibility comes access to more muscle fiber and an enhanced ability to build those muscles. Yoga also helps you to define your existing muscle. Increased energy. Regular practice of yoga will keep you energized, recharged, and fresh even after a long day. Better sleep. Yoga can help improve your quality of sleep. In addition to helping you decrease stress, which helps improve sleep, certain yoga postures actually increase blood circulation to the sleep center in the brain. Stress relief. Yoga is a wonderful stress buster. It loosens up tense muscles, and the controlled and focused breathing alone helps you focus your mind, relax, and de-stress. Improved mood. Feeling down? Yoga is a great way to bring a smile back to your face. Many studies suggest that yoga can affect positive states of your mind and boost your mood. Regular practice has also shown to improve scores for life satisfaction and lower scores for aggressiveness and depression. Healthy body chemistry. As with any good exercise program, regular practice of yoga helps improve several aspects of body chemistry, such as lower cholesterol, lesser sodium and blood glucose levels, promotion of a strong lymphatic system, and increasing the body's production of red blood cells. Finding new coping mechanisms. At the core of addiction is a person's inability to cope with difficult thoughts or emotions. Much of the counseling will focus on helping patients to recognize this and teaching them new ways to cope with stressful life situations. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.